16:10, Crewe to Newark Castle. (14:45) Cardiff, Nottingham. That's in North Staffordshire Junction just now. 13:27 Plymouth, Edinburgh. This unit should have took 6 minutes to get to where I am from Derby, 5.5 miles. It's took just over 20, I don't know what's been going on. This Edinburgh Plymouth following a unit that's not too good a nick, I don't think. Took about 20 minutes to get to Willington Station. When it should go from Derby to Willington to standstill in about 9 minutes. Tote North Yard to Bescott Up Engineers sidings, just accelerating away from Stenson. Usually have to get the finger out here. Clay mills where they can pull in, and there's 2 loops, one each way. These cross-country services that run anywhere between Cardiff and Nottingham should have some meridians on them for my liking. When the meridians get displaced, some of them are off to Scotland, as I've said months ago on both channels, as just the 5-car units taking the place of the Class 43 HSTs. Only thing they haven't done with them is efficiency upgrades on the engine. 16:37 Newark Castle to Crewe, just crossing onto the lines to Crewe. This line to Crewe is supposed to be being re-signalled, I don't know when though. Crewe, Newark Castle. Nottingham to Birmingham New Street. (14:27) Plymouth, Edinburgh. Crawling along following a stopper that stopped at Willington, about 5.5 miles from Derby at that point.